Welcome to this tutorial on PowerShell Module Manifests. A module manifest is a special configuration file that contains metadata about your PowerShell module. These files use the .psd1 extension, which stands for PowerShell Data File. Think of a manifest as an identity card for your module that tells PowerShell everything it needs to know about how to load and use your module. In this video, we'll explore what manifests are, why they're important, and how to create and configure them for your own modules. A module manifest is a metadata file that describes all the properties and requirements of a PowerShell module. It uses the .psd1 file extension, which identifies it as a PowerShell data file. The manifest is structured as a hash table stored in plain text format, containing key-value pairs that define various aspects of your module. The primary purpose of a manifest is to control how PowerShell loads your module, manage version tracking, and declare any dependencies your module might have on other modules or PowerShell versions. Creating a module manifest is straightforward using the New-ModuleManifest cmdlet. You provide the path where you want to create the manifest file, typically with a .psd1 extension. You can also specify initial parameters like the author name, which is your name or your organization's name, a description that explains what your module does, and the RootModule parameter, which points to your primary script module file with the .psm1 extension. This command generates a complete manifest file with all the standard keys, making it easy to get started. Every module manifest contains several essential keys that PowerShell uses to understand your module. The RootModule key specifies the primary script or binary module file that contains your module's code. ModuleVersion is a version number that helps track updates to your module over time. The GUID is a globally unique identifier that distinguishes your module from all others. The author key contains the name of the module creator. Finally, the description key provides a brief explanation of what your module does and why someone would want to use it. Here's what a basic module manifest looks like in practice. The file starts with a hash table symbol at sign and curly brace. Inside, you'll find the root module pointing to your .psm1 file, a module version in semantic versioning format like 1.0.0, and a GUID, which is a unique identifier string. You also include the author name and a description of your module. The PowerShell version key specifies the minimum version of PowerShell required to run your module, such as 5.1. This simple structure provides all the essential information PowerShell needs. Beyond the basics, manifests support advanced keys for more control over your module. FunctionsToExport lets you explicitly control which functions are made available to users, hiding internal helper functions. RequiredModules allows you to declare dependencies on other modules that must be installed and loaded before yours. Compatible PS editions specifies whether your module works with PowerShell Desktop, PowerShell Core, or both. Private data stores custom metadata, including PS data for PowerShell gallery information. File list documents all the files included in your module package. One of the most important aspects of a manifest is controlling what gets exported from your module. The FunctionsToExport key takes an array of function names that you want to make public, like get-data, set-data, and remove-data. You can set cmdlets to export, variables to export, and aliases to export to empty arrays if you're not exporting those types. This explicit control helps you maintain a clean public interface for your module while keeping internal helper functions private. It's a best practice to always explicitly list your exports rather than using wildcards. Before using your manifest in production, it's crucial to test it. PowerShell provides the Test-ModuleManifest cmdlet, which validates the syntax of your manifest file and checks for common errors. Simply provide the path to your .psd1 file. If the manifest is valid, the cmdlet returns the manifest object. If there are errors, it will tell you exactly what's wrong. Once validated, you can import your module using the import-module cmdlet, pointing it to your manifest file. PowerShell will use the manifest to properly load your module with all the settings you've configured.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.